These notes are from Profitnama's NISM Research Analyst Guidebook. The link is provided in the description below. Now, let's learn about secular trends, value migration, and the business life cycle. Secular trends are long-term shifts that cause changes in the production or consumption of goods and services. These trends are driven by various factors, including technological advancements, income changes, demographic shifts, cultural changes, and government policies. One key driver of secular trends is technological advancements. New technologies can disrupt production methods, provide alternatives to existing products, or create new consumption patterns. Some examples include shale gas exploration, digital cameras replacing film rolls, and electric vehicles becoming more popular. Another factor is changes in income levels. As economies grow and disposable income increases, consumers may begin to shift toward premium products, which can drive changes in market demand. Demographic changes also play a role. Shifts in age, gender, and ethnicity can alter consumption patterns within a country. For example, Japan's aging population has led to a decrease in per capita beer consumption. Changes in culture, tastes, and preferences are also important drivers. Whether gradual or sudden, cultural changes can significantly impact the consumption of goods and services. For example, the influence of Western culture in Asian societies has driven demand for Western clothing. Changes in regulations or government policies can also create secular trends in industries. An example of this is the implementation of the Goods and Services Tax (GST) in India, which improved logistics efficiency and reduced the demand for new commercial vehicles. The emergence of new secular trends often leads to value migration between industries or companies. This migration happens when industries or players move from one sector to another in response to these changes. Secular trends often create inflection points in the business cycle of one or more affected industries. These points mark significant shifts in industry dynamics, business growth, or market positioning. Understanding and identifying secular trends is crucial for anticipating shifts in industry dynamics, value migration, and the overall business life cycle. By recognizing these trends early, analysts can better predict where industries are headed and how businesses will evolve. I hope you have understood this topic by now. If you have any confusion or need help, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format with cash-on-delivery options. You can find the link in the description below. Become a Profitnama member today to access all our website content and get doubt-clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Profitnama today.